At this moment, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, Lord. To our Ardo, Senior Superintendent Sabanya, our RCS, Senior Superintendent Patri, other division chiefs, commission and commission of officers, inyong team, ayong buntag sa tanan. Our RD is not around because according to the hospital, si Juan Attorney, ito daw siya, Juan, sa kauswakan, no? Having another activity there. Reminders lang before, first, considering that last Monday, mura pre-trial pa to na inspection, so karon ang ato ang, because that is one of the directives ni ating nila exempted ang personnel sa regional office having that trunk inspection, no? Para in fairness sa lower units. And it seems that si Senior Inspector Anir ang reading yung maulay nagpalda sa mga timali. When we have that oversight, it should be the females have the itong sayal, skirt, no? But again, will be i-consider na lang nato karon, no? Para dili na magbalik-balik, para mahuman na, so that we could have the consolidation of all the reports from the lower units for those na ay mga demerits kay mga gusto mabaluan ni RD, yung kapangitaon is the one who exceeds the allowable demerits per month, para mapuslan daw dito sa ato ang specialized training center sa Manglipyo, no? So, but the next time around, kung gusto ni ating mag-inspection yapon, expected na siya na all the timali should wear the skirts, not the pants. Okay, knowing that consider lang na ni Arde, supposed to be in every Monday, all the females should wear the skirts. But we consider lang na once a month lang, every first Monday. But considering that special ang karon nga day because of that rank inspection, supposed to be mag-skirt on that rank. Okay. But again, we will push through the rank inspection before tamang business para makahatag na may report kay RD. Another thing is the reminders for the upcoming activity with regards to the Fire Service Recognition Day, no? I just don't know if makonsider ang regional office if we have the team for the acoustic band na ba, nakakumpos na mo participate sa mantong mga talent, no? Ako natulungan si po for Padirangara ang Bisaya na kanta daade mo na, no? Kaya nangayo feedback si ate kung naapay team ato ang region para makapractice na kaya ang when we have the on-site last week sa SMIS or they are bringing with them their team, no, sa acoustic mo ay nag-entertain sa amo dito during the fellowship. So mukha na siya sa ato if we have but also a team para makapractice na po. So reminders lang kinsay naman to si Senior Inspector daan ni Morisiata mga coach sana, no? So reminders lang para makapractice na po basin o but anyway, kung man ay role sa region mo magpa-pili-pili pero daog-day mo the same as during the regional Fire Olympics, no? May lumilong lang pero unexpected na we come out second overall. Okay, kung also po di pa-remind natin ang ang team for the sa players na to for the NFO para makakumpos na sa imuha man ang nakatungkata sa operasyon na tong team na to for the upcoming NFO, no, para makasugod ng practice because some some regions are already preparing for that event. No? Nag-practice na sila sa Atua or mag-focus pa. No? Again, kung isa sa gusto ni RT is ang players are coming from the RTC ang naka-undergo atong Peresia. So dito kita mangita o players atong mga participants atong seminar nila training dito sa El Salvador. Palihog lang ko para makapipaktan ni RT when makabalik siya repair. Kasi mangutanan na po siya wala tayong mga tubag na naantay na compose na team. In preparation of the NFO. Okay, that's all. So far, maulang sa siya. Anyway, last na lang for those who have relatives na qualified to apply as FO1, we have 24 quotas for the accretion. I think next week na ang deadline for submission of folders. 24 lang. Ang request nato mga 60 including the Juan Magman for the Mindanao Hub 911 sa Lumbia. Wala pang approve. So gipalawa pa na iniyate. But so far 24 lang ang slot. So for those who have relatives who wanted to join the BFA, kindly panadaan parigi sa mga documents. Okay. So far mo na, have a great week ahead of us. Thank you.
Thank you for your message and reminder, sir. May we call on any announcements from different divisions and sections now, sir? There may be none. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn to be followed by the BFP hymn.
I
National Monday Flag Raising Ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Girly R. Ayaay. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Personal necessity sa 5 minutes dayon form dayon no parang kuan ha 3 squats 2 ka platon 3 squats lang